The research team at Meta AI is excited to share our work on Voicebox. It can generalize speech generation tasks it was not specifically trained to accomplish, and it does so 20 times faster than current model. It uses a new approach to learn from raw audio and transcriptions from which it can create various outputs. Let's take a closer look at what it can do. Voicebox can take input text and output audio in a multitude of different voices.
Quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
It can also generate a stylized speech output based on text input and a short reference audio clip.
The country's lush forests and diverse ecosystems offer a quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
This could one day give virtual assistants and NPCs more natural-sounding voices. Style transfer enables transposition of vocal characteristics of background noise from a reference clip
offer ample opportunities to observe and learn about the vast
to a target audio clip with text input.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
It can also be used to produce audio of a voice in another language.
Frondosos bosques y los diversos ecosistemas del país. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog.
Someday, this could help people communicate in a more authentic way, even across language barriers. For editing, Voicebox can remove background noise from a clip.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to show you
by resynthesizing a specific segment.
Hi guys, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to show you
and correct misspoken words via text-to-speech, eliminate the need to re-record.
Hi everyone, thank you for tuning in. Today we are going to show you.
These are just a few examples how Voicebox can perform across a variety of tasks. Like to hear a sample of what Voicebox can do firsthand? Well, you already have, because all of the voiceover featured in this video generated using Voicebox. Learn more about this exciting step forward generative AI research on our website.